Morning students, in today's class we are going to discuss air lesson question answers. Okay, air lesson question answers. First, give one word for each of the following. A layer of the gases surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, dash atmosphere. The layer of the gases surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere. The harmful radiation coming from the sun is ultraviolet. That is UV radiation. Okay. The harmful radiation coming from the sun is ultraviolet. Maintenance of oxygen concentrate in the atmosphere is called oxygen cycle. Okay, maintenance of the oxygen concentrate in the atmosphere is called oxygen cycle. A gas used by green plants to make their food. A gas present in the air which cannot be used by directly by animals, nitrogen. A gas present in the air, nitrogen, which cannot be used directly by animals. Okay. First question is the layer of the gases surrounding by the earth is called atmosphere. Harmful radiation coming from the sun is ultraviolet, and maintenance of oxygen concentrate in the atmosphere, oxygen cycle. A gas used by the green plants to make their food, oxygen. A gas present in the air which cannot use directly by animal, which gas? Nitrogen. Okay. Then first question, in which layer of the atmosphere does the formation of the clouds take place? The clouds are formed in the troposphere layer. Okay, the clouds are formed in the troposphere layer. It is also very close to the earth. In the troposphere layer, it is very close to the earth. Okay, closest to the earth. And next question is, how do the following organisms fulfill their oxygen requirement? First one is fish. Fish take in oxygen, dissolve in water through their gills. Okay, fish take in oxygen which is dissolved in water through their gills. And next organism, small organism found in the soil. Yeah, small organism found in the soil, the air trapped in between the soil particles. Soil particles like air வந்து breathe பண்ணதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். Okay, and how do the following organism fulfill their oxygen requirement? Fish take in the oxygen dissolved in water through their gills, and air trapped in between the soil particles. Small organism found in the soil. The small organism found in the soil, air trapped in between the soil particles. And next question is, how is air used to generate electricity? How is air used to generate electricity? Through the windmill. The wind turns the blades of the wind turbines. Wind turns the blades of the wind turbines that spin as shaft. The shaft connects to the generator to make electricity. Okay, so how is air used to generate electricity? Through the windmill. The wind turns the blades of the windmill and that spin as shaft. This shaft is connected to the generator. Okay, this shaft is connected to the generator. This generator makes the electricity. And next question is, give reason for the following. First one is, water vapor not found in the layer above the troposphere. Yes, water vapor that has risen up cannot go higher than this layer. So water vapor changes into ice and is trapped here. Okay, water vapor not found in the layer above the troposphere. The reason behind this, water vapor that has risen up and cannot go higher because then this layer higher than this layer, so the water vapor changes into ice. Okay. Next question is, earthworms come out on a rainy day. Yes, earthworm means manpulu. Okay. The earthworm breathe through their skin when it rains heavily. The oxygen present in the water lock the soil may run out. So it becomes come out for breathing. Okay, it becomes come out for breathing. Okay, it have to come out for breathing. And first question is, the layer of the gases surrounding the earth is called atmosphere, and harmful radiation coming from the sun is ultraviolet, and the maintenance of the oxygen concentrate in the atmosphere is called oxygen cycle, a gas used by the green plants to make their food, and the gas present in the air which cannot be used directly by the animals, nitrogen. Okay. And first question, in which layer the atmosphere does the formation of clouds take place? Clouds are formed in the troposphere layer, and it is very closest to the earth's surface. Okay. How do the following organisms fulfill their oxygen requirement? First, fish take in the oxygen dissolved in water and through their gills. Okay. And small organisms found in the soil, and found in the soil, the air trapped in between the soil particles. Okay. Next question is, how is the air used to generate electricity? The wind turns the blades of the wind turbines that spin a shaft. The shaft connect to the generator. It makes the electricity. And give reason for the following. Water vapor not found in the layer above the troposphere. The water vapor does not. The water vapor that has risen up cannot go higher than this layer, so the water vapor changes into ice and trapped here. And next question is, earthworm come out on the rainy day because earthworm breathe through their skin. When it rains heavily, oxygen present in the water lock the soil may run out, so it comes out for breathing. Okay. Next question is, nitrogen makes 78% of the air but cannot be used by organism. How is it made available to the organism? First, nitrogen makes 78% of the air but cannot be used by organism. How is it made available to the organism? It is, first, nitrogen, it is converted by the microorganism into nitrate. Okay, which is then used by the plants and animals, including human beings, get nitrogen through the plants. Okay, it is the nitrogen in the atmosphere. 78% of the nitrogen in the air. 78% of the nitrogen gas available in the air. So nitrogen, it is first converted by microorganisms into nitrate, which is then used by plants, animals, including human beings, get nitrogen through the plants. And next question is, how is the balance between the oxygen and carbon dioxide maintained in nature? The balance between the oxygen and carbon dioxide maintained in nature by the process of photosynthesis. The photosynthesis process, plants release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, it is converted into and absorb sunlight plus carbon dioxide plus water. During the photosynthesis process, it is converted into glucose and oxygen. Plants release oxygen and absorb sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. It releases the oxygen for respiration. It releases the oxygen. We use the oxygen for respiration. Okay. So how is the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide? By the process of photosynthesis. Okay. In photosynthesis process, plant absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and it releases the glucose and oxygen. We use the oxygen for respiration process, breathe purpose and respiration. We use oxygen. Okay. And next question is, is explain the composition of the air. Yes, air has a mixture of several gases. Okay, several gases. Clean air comprises 10 gases: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, methane, krypton, hydrogen, and xenon. Okay. Besides these gases, water vapor and dust particle also available in the air. Okay. So air is the mixture of many gases. Okay. Many gases. For example, neon, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, and methane, krypton, hydrogen, xenon. Besides these gases, and water vapor and dust particles also available in the air. Okay. And next question is, which gas is used in fire extinguisher? What will happen? It will replace with oxygen. Carbon dioxide gas is used by fire extinguisher. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. Okay. It is replaced with oxygen. What happened? What will happen? It is replaced with oxygen. The fire will increase. Okay. It replaces carbon dioxide பதிலா நம்ம replace பண்ணி oxygen வச்சோம்னா fire வந்து increase ஆகும். So carbon dioxide gas is used in the fire extinguisher. It is replaced with oxygen and made to get the touch with fire. The fire will increase. Okay. And list the major uses of air. Yes, oxygen present in the air required by all organisms for respiration, and carbon dioxide present in the air is required for photosynthesis. In plants, in photosynthesis process, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. Okay, for respiration process. Okay, it is the important agent of seed pollination and seed dispersal. Wind also used to rotate windmill to generate electricity. Air fills the empty objects like balloon, tubes, and flute. Mouth organs are played with the help of the air, and nitrogen present in the air cannot be used directly by the organism. It is just converted into nitrate. It converted into useful form as nitrate. It is used by the plants. Okay, then it is used by the plants. Okay, list of the major use of the air. Oxygen present in the air required by all organisms for respiration process, and carbon dioxide present in the air is required for photosynthesis process, and it is the important agent of seed pollination and seed dispersal. And wind also used to rotate windmill. It generates electricity. It makes the generator then makes the electricity, and air fills the empty objects like balloon and tubes and flute. Mouth organs or some musical instrument also played with the help of air. And nitrogen present in the air cannot be directly used by the animals. It is converted into useful form as nitrates. It just converted as nitrates, then only it is used by plants. Okay. And the first question is, nitrogen makes 78% of the air but cannot be used by organisms. How it is made available to the organism? It is first converted the microorganism into nitrate, which is then used by the plants. Animals including human beings get nitrogen through plants. And next question is, how is the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide maintained in nature? As the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide maintained by the process of photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, by the process of photosynthesis and respiration. Explain the composition of air. Air has a mixture of several gases like helium, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, krypton, methane, xenon, and also water vapor and dust particles. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? What will happen? It will replace with oxygen. Carbon dioxide gas is used in fire extinguisher, and it replaced with oxygen. What happened? The fire will increase. Okay. And next question is, list the major uses of air. Oxygen present in the air required of all organisms for respiration. Carbon dioxide present in the air is required for photosynthesis. It is the important agent of seed pollination and seed dispersal, and wind also used to rotate windmill, and air fills the empty objects, empty objects like balloon and tubes, and some musical instrument like flute and mouth organ played with the help of air. Nitrogen present in the air cannot be directly used by the animal. It is just converted into nitrate, form of nitrate, and then it is used by the animals and plants. Okay, and moving air is called wind. So the air movement, aeroplane movement and kite and boat, the movement of aeroplane, kite, boat also with the help of air, with the help of air. Okay, and copy this question in your notebook, students. Thank you.